My name is Anna, and I want to tell you about my weekend routine. I like weekends because I can relax and do the things I enjoy. I don't go to work on Saturday and Sunday, so I have more free time. My weekend routine is simple, but I enjoy every moment. On Saturday, I usually wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't need an alarm clock because I don't have to hurry. I open the window to get some fresh air. I make my bed, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat bread with butter and cheese, and I drink a cup of tea or coffee. Sometimes I make eggs or pancakes if I have more time. After breakfast, I relax for a while. I read a book or watch some videos on YouTube. Sometimes I watch English learning videos to improve my English. I also check my phone and reply to messages from friends or family. Around 10 o'clock, I start cleaning the house. I vacuum the floor, wash the dishes, and do the laundry. I like to keep my home clean and tidy. At around noon, I take a short break. I sit down and drink a glass of juice or eat a piece of fruit. Then I get ready to go outside. I often go to the park or walk around my neighborhood. If the weather is nice, I walk for an hour. I listen to music or just enjoy the quiet. On some Saturdays, I meet my friends at a cafe. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our time together. Sometimes we go shopping or visit a museum. In the evening, I come back home. I take a rest, then help my mother make dinner. We usually eat together at 7 or 8 p.m. We talk about our day and enjoy the meal. After dinner, I relax in my room. I like to listen to music or watch a movie. Sometimes I light a candle and write in my journal. I write about my day, my thoughts, and my goals. Writing helps me to feel calm. I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. On Sunday, I wake up later than on Saturday. I wake up at 9 or 9:30. I take a shower and wear comfortable clothes. I prepare breakfast with my family. On Sundays, we sometimes eat something special like French toast or fruit salad. We sit together at the table and enjoy the food. After breakfast, I call my grandparents. They live in another city, so I can't visit them every week. I talk to them for 10 or 15 minutes. They always ask about my work and my health. Then I check my to-do list. On Sunday, I usually do some things to prepare for the week. I wash clothes, clean my desk, and organize my room. I also write my plan for the next week in my notebook. In the afternoon, I do something for myself. I like to study English on Sunday afternoons. I read a short text, watch a video, or review vocabulary. I also like drawing and painting. Sometimes I draw pictures or color in my sketchbook. It helps me to feel relaxed and happy. Around 4 p.m., I go out again. I sometimes go to the store with my mom to buy food. We buy vegetables, fruit, bread, milk, and other things for the week. I help carry the bags and put the food in the fridge when we get home. If we don't go shopping, I stay at home and talk to my friends online. We talk about movies, music, and what we did on the weekend. In the evening, I start to think about Monday. I check my bag and prepare my clothes. I look at my schedule to see what I need to do. Then I take a shower and eat dinner. After dinner, I relax. I don't watch TV for too long because I want to sleep well. I usually read something short or listen to quiet music before going to sleep. I go to bed at 10:30 or 11 p.m. Weekends are important to me. They help me to rest and do what I like. I enjoy the slow mornings, the time with my family, and the moments to take care of myself. Every weekend is a little different, but I always try to make it relaxing and useful. Sometimes I travel or visit relatives, but most weekends I stay home. That is my weekend routine. I hope you enjoyed listening to it. What is your weekend routine? Do you sleep late or wake up early? Do you stay home or go out? Try to write about your own routine in English. It's a good way to practice writing and thinking in English. Thank you for reading my story. Have a great weekend.